What is up, guys? The Matt Pounding Air here, and happy Thursday. That is right. And today we're going to be unboxing Series 10 AEW figure Taz. That is right. So here we go. First off, I'm going to show you the side of the box, the front of the box, and the other side of the box, and the back of the box. So here we go with the unboxing of Taz, also known as Team Taz, that he used to have. This Series 10 is pretty cool. The interchangeable head is out with his mouth open like this. Pretty cool. The hand with the microphone is open. Now it's time to take out Taz. And now, here we go with this now, guys. Now that he is out, Taz is officially out, but the glasses won't go back on, but he came with the shades too as well. So, hope you all enjoy this unboxing of me unboxing this Series 10 of Taz, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. So, once again, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See you happy Thursday, and enjoy your Thursday too, guys.